ओम शांति सभी को। जब होमवर्क होता है तो थोड़ा ध्यान रहता है।
When you all have the homework, so you pay
एक ही
attention,
दिन अच्छा अवसर मिलता है
and we get a very good
कि जो चीज़ें
opportunity
बनानी है
on
उस पर
this day
ध्यान
that
दें,
whatever stage we want to create, we
ज्ञान
can pay
से
attention to
मुरली
that.
से उसी प्रकार की
And
पॉइंट
then with from
जो
Murli,
जुड़ती
with
रहती
knowledge,
हैं
those
मंत्रमुग्ध
points
होते
remain
हैं।
in our intellect and we churn
जब
the
हम
knowledge.
अपना पूजनीय स्वरूप सामने
And
रखते हैं
when we keep
तो
our
हमारे पास
worthy to
जो
worship
पूजनीय
form in front of us,
मूर्तियाँ हैं
then
उनका
the
स्वरूप अगर हम सामने रखते हैं तो
the deities, if we keep in
क्या
front
दिखाई
of them
पड़ता
whom
है?
we
हमें
worship,
क्या
so what
अनुभव
do
होता
we
है
see?
उनको
What do you
देख तो
experience? When we
दिव्यता,
see them, we
मन
experience
की
divinity,
शांति,
we
स्थिरता,
experience peace, stability.
नैनों से उनके बहुत जैसे
Through the
आशीर्वाद
eyes,
मिल रही है।
we can
बहुत तरह
experience
के अच्छे अच्छे
blessings.
अनुभव होते हैं ना।
We
तो
experience
इसी
many good
तरीके से हम भी
things.
अपनी
So, in that
स्थिति
way,
को अपने
we can also make our
संकल्पों को
stage,
स्थिति को
our
ऐसा रखें
thoughts, we should
उसमें
keep it in
दिव्यता
such
है
in which
और
there is
दिव्यता में क्या
divinity.
होता है
And what
शांति है
happens in
मधुरता
divinity?
है
We are peaceful, we
हर
are
तरह के गुण
sweet,
जैसे समाये हुए हैं
all types
होती तो
of
दिव्यता
um,
पवित्रता के आधार से है
virtues are in that.
लेकिन साथ साथ जो
But
बाबा
divinity
कहते हैं
is through
दैनिक जीवन में
purity.
डालना
But along with that, we
जीवन
should
में
have virtues of
तो हम अपना
divinity in our
बाबा भी
life.
रोज मुरली में कहते हैं बच्चे
Baba also every day in the
जय
Murli
गुरु
says,
की
child,
रचना करो धारणा बहुत
imbibe
जरूरी
divine
है
virtues.
तो उसमें सहनशीलता
Imbibing
का
is
गुण
very
होता
important.
है
In that, patience is
जो शांति का
important.
स्वभाव हो
ha-
वृंदावन कहते
Being
हैं कि जो
peaceful.
देवताएं होते हैं
And then Baba
उनको कभी
says,
भी क्रोध नहीं आता वो
deities, they are
मुस्कुराते
never
रहते हैं
angry. They are always smiling.
क्योंकि कई तरह की परिस्थिति ऐसी होती
Because
हैं जो
many types of situations are
साक्षी
such
होकर के देखें हम
that you have to become a
और उस
detached
परिस्थिति को
observer
पार करें
and
क्योंकि
cross
अगर
that
अंदर में
situation.
हलचल होती है
Because of inside,
तो
if there is
कुछ स्वभाव में
upheaval,
भी उसका असर आता है
then that will be shown in your
इसलिए
nature also.
कैसे हम अ,
That is why
पूजनीय जो हमें
how
बनना है
we should become worship
अपने
worthy
स्वरूप
image.
को सामने रखते हुए हमें जिन गुणों
Bring
की
that
जिस समय आवश्यकता है
image in front of you, and whatever
अगर गुण
virtues are
तभी
needed
हम
at
यूज
that
कर
time,
पाते हैं जब
bring
शक्ति
the.
का यूज करते हैं
So we can use the virtues only when
अगर
you
हम
can use the
सहनशीलता यूज
powers.
नहीं करेंगे
If I don't
तो
use
हर्षित
the
मुस्कान नहीं आएगी
tolerance, power of tolerance,
मतलब
then I
शक्ति यूज
won't be
करो
happy,
अंदर
I
से
won't be
तो
smiling.
व्यवहार में
So
गुण
use
दिखाई
the
पड़ते हैं
powers
अगर हम
inside,
अंदर
and
से
then the
शक्ति नहीं
virtues will
यूज
be
करते
visible.
तो गुण
If inside the powers are not used, then
स्वभाव
virtues are
में
not visible
व्यवहार में
in your nature,
एक
in
दूसरे
your
के प्रति
dealing
संबंधों
with
में
each other,
दिखाई
or
पड़ते हैं
it won't be
अगर हम
visible
चाहते
in
हैं
your
कि दिव्य
feelings.
गुण प्रकट हो
If you
तो
want that your
शक्ति यूज
divine
करनी
character should be
बहुत जरूरी है
revealed, then to
ऐसा
use the
बताने
powers
में
is
कहता
very
है
important.
बाबा
And this is what I speak out of
कि
experience.
जैसे जैसे एक स्वभाव से ही
And then how, with
हमारे
one nature,
अंदर होता है वो हम सहज
we
हमारा योग सहज हो जाता है सहज
then
योगी हो
we are
जाता है
easy yogis.
अब
Our yoga
सहज
is very
योगी
easy.
मैंने देखा
So
है
to become an easy yogi, stage is very
जिस दिन अच्छी
important.
स्थिति होती है जैसे
The
बाबा
day our
साथ
stage
बैठा
is
है
good, like how
मैं तो
Baba is
बाबा के
sitting with me.
साथी हूँ
I am
जिस दिन
Baba's
स्थिति
companion.
अच्छी नहीं होती है उस दिन
The day
बहुत
stage is
मेहनत
not good.
लगती है
Then on that day you have to make a
कनेक्शन
lot of
जोड़ने में
effort to
एकाग्रता करने
connect,
में
to
फीलिंग
remain,
आए
to
कि
have
मैं बाबा के
concentration.
नजदीक हूँ
You should
तो मैंने
make
आज
that, to
सवेरे
feel that I am
अनुभव
close
किया
to
कि
Baba.
कितना
So today
जरूरी
morning
है
I experienced that
कुछ भी
it is so
थोड़ी सी मेरी
important
ऐसी
that
स्वस्थिति आती
whatever
है
happens, but my self
तो
state should
उसमें
be
बहुत
very
अच्छा
elevated.
ब्लेसिंग में बाबा ने
So
बताया
in that
कि
blessing, Baba said
अगर
very
सहज और
nicely,
निरंतर योगी बनना चाहते
if
हैं
you want to be a
तो कमल
constant yogi,
अंशधारी बनना होगा
so you have to become
तो कमल का तो
the
हम
one who
जानते
is
हैं
seated on the
उसकी
lotus
भांति
flower.
प्रज्वलित
So
होती
we
है
know
तो वो
about the lotus
भस्म नहीं
flower,
होती
that the lotus
क्योंकि
is
कई बार
untouched.
किसी का स्वभाव किसी परिस्थिति का
Sometimes
अपने
somebody's habit
संस्कारों का
or
सचल
situation
चले
or
है ना
our
मन गति का
sanskars,
असर आता
it
रहता है
keeps on
तो
affecting our
जो
mind, intellect, and
अचल अडोल
sanskar.
स्थिति है
So
वो नहीं
those who
रहेगी
are totally
जैसे कि
immovable,
दुनिया
unshakable, that stage
किस
won't come
तरह
then.
से
So Baba
कमल
says
के
that
समान
how, like a lotus
कमल
flower,
स्तनधारी तब बन सकेंगे
you will be able to
कमल पर
be
कौन
seated
विराजमान
on
हो
the
सकता है जो
lotus
बहुत हल्का होकर
flower,
जाए
the one who is very
कमल फूल
light,
पर विराजमान होने के लिए कोई
to
भी
be seated on the lotus
बोझी
flower. Whatever burden is there, anything
जो
is there.
बोझ वाला व्यक्ति
So a heavy person cannot be seated on the lotus seat. So that is why Baba is saying since many times, Baba says, don't take any burden. You have to check inside.
हर कर्म
Baba
करते हुए
says that by doing every action, that
सहज व
I,
निरंतर
the soul, remain light and seated on the lotus seat.
निरंतर योग युक्त रहने के लिए कमल
To remain constantly on a lotus flower, always remain seated on the lotus seat.
हैं, लेकिन कमल आसन पर
Baba
वही
says, but
रह सकता है जो लाइट है.
the one who is light can be seated on this. So the flower is so light. Once Baba said, if you want to sit on Baba's heart throne, so if your stage is in upheaval, then you won't be able to be seated. The one who is very light and is unshakable can sit on Baba's heart throne. So I was thinking that this is true. The heart is so delicate. And if I have to sit on that heart throne, and if I keep moving, if my intellect and stage is up and down, so then I won't be able to be seated on that stage. So many a times Baba says, child, if you want to sit on the heart throne, then really if you want to sit that, then you will feel that for that Baba is saying that your state should be very unshakable state. So when we listen to this, so then our stage becomes stable. So may you be an easy and constant yogi and be constantly seated on the lotus seat while performing every act. So in order to be constantly yogyukt, you have to constantly remain seated on the lotus seat. However, only those who are light can remain stable on the lotus seat. Let there not be any type of burden or bondage. Bondage pulls you and the burden pulls you down.
तो मन उधर जाएगा, बाहर बढ़
So
जाएगा.
whatever any bondage is there, your mind will go again and again over there. One is because of situation, and sometimes our sanskar is also like that. And when sanskar is like that, then our thoughts keep running. So sometimes outside situation affect us because inside the stage is not stable. Once Gadadi Gulsar said, let anybody get how much ever angry, it wouldn't get any difference to me. So if it is my sanskar, then my anger also will show. So we have to pay attention. We cannot pay attention on others. Situations also we cannot pay attention. But my sanskar, when it emerges, I shouldn't bring it into action. Then my accounts will also be settled and that bondage also finishes. Then Baba says, when all the burdens finish, the burden on your mind of thoughts, the burden of sanskars, the burden of attraction to perishable things of the world, that is not there. Baba's children don't have that thing. The burden of attachment to your Lokik relations. You will then be able to be seated on the lotus seat and be a constant yogi.
सहज योगी बनेंगे तो हर एक में फिर स्थिति आ जाती है ना.
Then in everything a stage comes. So being seated means that is my stage. So you should be set on that stage. So yesterday's teachings were that of a easy yogi, that is I am seated on a lotus seat, remain easy and remain bondage free, remain light, easy, bondage free. So when you pay attention, at least then you'll know that if any heaviness comes, or if burden comes, or if any bondage is pulling you in a subtle way, you don't come to know, but somewhere in a subtle way, there is upheaval in the sanskars, your actions will be heavy. So Baba said, imbibe the virtue of tolerance and you will not have to take the support of falsehood. Sometimes we are able to tolerate. We sometimes say things also, or we emerge inside.
देखो सहज योगी तो हम बनना चाहते हैं.
We want to become easy yogi,
क्या करना होगा?
but for that, what we have to do?
की समझ और पुरुषार्थ और इसमें
We need to make an effort. We have to understand. We shouldn't feel burdened that, oh, this destination is very far. Yesterday it was that don't feel disappointed at anything. Keep a big heart. Baba will help you. I always say, Baba has given us the aim. So Baba will give us the power. But we have to work hard that sit on the seat of lotus seat. So don't have burden on your heart. So pay attention. There shouldn't be a burden of your thoughts and your mind, sanskar, no attraction, no bondage.
इतना तो attention रखेंगे
This much attention if you give,
percentage तक
then
मुझे
you will know that how much percentage
है
I
तो उसमें
have.
निराश नहीं होना है
So don't be disappointed in that, disheartened on that. Doesn't matter, we have reached till here. So further also, Baba will make us his companion and give cooperation to each other, and
योगी निरंतर
we will become easy yogis, constant yogis. We will reach to that stage, certainly. And this is our
किया और बाबा के साथ है
attainment, accomplishment, that we create a thought and we are with Baba. Sometimes we do that, but it's not constant. Sometimes we feel Baba is sitting right next to us. And sometimes we are looking for him in Paramdham. Where is he? Where is he now? Sometimes we feel like that also. So to become constant yogis, we have to be seated on a lotus seat. So by paying this attention,
Baba
become
blessing
easy and constant yogis. So when Baba is giving us a blessing, definitely it will happen. Baba will give us a gift, we'll keep courage, and Baba will definitely help us. Om Shanti.